In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check how much money you spent on Steam. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find your complete purchase history inside the Steam app and see your total spending in your account currency. First, open Steam. Launch the Steam desktop app and wait for the home screen to load. If any update prompts appear, let them finish. So the interface matches what you see here. Next, click your profile name. Look to the top right of the Steam window. You'll see your profile name next to your avatar. Click it once to open the account menu. If you have multiple windows open, make sure you're on the main Steam window so this menu is visible. Now, go to Account Details. In the menu that opened from your profile name, click Account Details. This takes you to your account overview inside the Steam client. You're just viewing settings and history here. Nothing on this page will charge you or change your games. From here, click View Purchase History. On the Account Details screen, find the Store and Purchase History section. Click View Purchase History to open the list of all transactions tied to this Steam account. This includes game and DLC purchases, wallet top-ups, market transactions, and any refunds. You might see a short loading spinner. Just wait a moment until the list appears. Once that's done, scroll to see Total Spending. Use your mouse wheel or the scroll bar on the right to move through the entire purchase history. Keep scrolling until you reach the end of the list. At the bottom, Steam shows the total amount you've spent on this account. The number will be displayed in your local store currency. Take a moment to confirm the currency symbol and the total so you know you're reading the correct figure. If your account has a long history, continue scrolling steadily to load all entries. The page will extend as you go, and it may take a few seconds to populate older transactions. That's normal. You're still just viewing historical data. There's no way to accidentally make a purchase from this screen. As you scroll, you'll notice each line shows the date, the description of the purchase or wallet action, and the amount. Refunds and adjustments are listed as well, so the final total reflects your actual spending after any reversals. If you use Steam Wallet, those top-ups appear in the list too and are counted in the total. This is helpful if you want an accurate picture of how much money you've spent on Steam over time. At this point, you've reached the bottom of the page and can clearly see your total spending on Steam. If you need to reference it later, you can return to this same View Purchase History page at any time from Account Details and scroll to the end again. The total will always reflect your complete history for this account. That's it. You've successfully checked how much money you spent on Steam, and your total spending is now visible and confirmed. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.